What is good, YouTube? I am back with another POV. Another PO. And he nigga funny here. These niggas funny here. I lost my phone. Fuck with these niggas. Damn, I lost my phone. Oh my God. Bro, where my phone just went, bro? Bro, I lost my phone back here somewhere. Okay, I found it. Alright, where I probably going? I went the wrong way. Alright, y'all. They want to see what my car. Yo. Anyway, on the way to get some food. I ain't had Chipotle a little minute, so get some Chipotle. Started the new year. Man, a little hot in here. Yeah, man. How y'all boy been, man? But yeah, though, they want to see what my car gonna do. I mean, see what my car talking about, whatever. They talking about they trying to race me, but I know they just talking. But yeah, dude, bro. Yeah, I think it's time to wrap the car, bro. Black cool, but I messed around and went to too many car washes and just scratched my paint up. So now I just came from a hand wash. And bro, you see nothing but scratches on my car, bro. Like, that shit ridiculous. I'm tired. Like, it bit scratchy too. Like, you can see it. It's like, you can definitely see it. You can definitely see it scratches, bro. So it's about that time to get it wrapped, bro. I'm also need another phone too, bro, cause I only got one phone at the moment, and then I can't pull up the GPS on my screen. So I think I use my phone. Come on, man. What you doing now? Damn. Oh, there's a state trooper right there too. Oh my God. Oh, we good. He ain't do no U-turn. I'm good. Oh man. Almost got up out of there, man. Yeah, I need another phone. Cause I got my camera back there too, connected on one phone. So I might have to get two phones to get both phones separate, so they can both stay connected at the same time. Bro, come on, kid. Come on, man. Oh, what that is right there? Like undercover. Come on, man. Fuck out the way. Damn. I gotta get over. Oh my God. Tayo. Ain't really not going on a random day of Tuesday. Yeah, a random Tuesday. Nothing going on. Everybody at work. No fun. Nobody to cut up with in a video. So yeah, I got a crazy color I want to do on an M550, bro. Like the black cool, but I don't know. I want to switch it up. I like my car black, of course, for the factory, but I wanted to do a matte black, but I'll probably do that later on, cause everybody, bro, I see everybody in Alabama down here have a matte black color on every car you name. Every car brand have it, matte black. So I might just switch it up, get some new wheels and tires. Go ahead and get rid of it, get that tune, start modding the car, you know, everything. Y'all see all that later down the road. Hey, now. Calm down. Bro, can I get... Damn. Can I get over? No, I can't get over. Damn. Bro, when I get this down pipes, oh my god, this shit gonna be way louder, bro. When I get these down pipes on, bro. Like, this shit crazy, bro. Down pipes. Or Cactus down pipes. This shit already crazy with the resonance. This shit still stopped. All it is just a scrape pipe. All this, oh, bro. All this shit is just a scrape pipe. Resonate delete for real. Well, resonate delete with a scrape pipe. I was gonna get the X pipe or whatever, but hey, here's what it is, man. Well, this is a short video today. Cause like I said, it ain't, oh, please don't hit me, please don't hit me. Right, no, it really ain't nothing to do on a Tuesday, no random Tuesday though. But we made it to Chipotle. I missed the turn like always. Oh my god. Anyway, we made it to Chipotle and had in a minute. Make sure you guys, ooh, drive through. Fuck it. Should we go drive through though? Fuck it, let's go drive through though. Oh, I had Chipotle in so long, bro. This shit insane. This shit is insane, buddy. I was gonna go in, but the fact that. Wait. I paired that bill. Is somebody there? Yeah, somebody right there too. Man, this GoPro hot. Yeah, they gonna come. I know y'all see me at the window. Hey.
What's the name for you?
Rod.
You had an order?
No, I was asking like, where y'all order from? Back there?
Damn.
Oh.
It's a pickup window. You gotta come in the inside.
Damn. All right. Anyway. So look like I got comments. Yo, pause. Pause, brother. Pause. But anyway, like I gotta go inside the store cause they don't have no, what you call it? It's just a pickup line. But anyway, oh, I'll catch y'all boys on that. I'll catch y'all boys on the next one, dude.